Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel TV. First, in front of me DOOGEE X97 Pro device, and I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So, theme on the third place in my top is Snugger Launcher, so just download it. Here you need to choose your favorite apps and click OK. And great, here you will see your favorite apps, and here you have alphabetical line to find any application you need. For example, if you need to find Play Store, just tap your finger on this alphabetical line and drag it to P button. Here you'll see Play Store, for example. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. So just download it, click Get Started, agree, confirm, continue. Confirm. Click on the cross in the right top corner. And great. So here, as you can see, we have a really beautiful interface, and here we have really great apps grouping feature. So all your apps are grouped by groups, and it's really great. But on the first place in my top is really great theme, Microsoft Launcher. So just find it. Click Open, get started, run the app, hello, continue, skip, okay, find your favorite apps, and great. I think that this is really best launcher for your device, because on the left panel we have Glance panel. Here we can set up all our favorite widgets, so you don't need to swipe between 1,000 of home screens to find the widget of calendar and then widget from Google Photos. In the main menu you have Hide Apps feature and alphabetical line, and it's really handy to use. And in the launcher settings we have gestures feature, and it's really helpful feature. For example, if you want to open the calculator using the simple gest, or maybe not calculator, for example, I don't know, okay, it might be calculator. So in this way, by using the simple gest, in my case it's swipe from down to up using 2 fingers, I can open any application I need. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.